Hi everyone, in this video we're looking at an introduction to angles. We're going to apply conventions to name and label your angles. We'll probably look at measuring angles in another video. So to be successful, you're going to be looking at the types of features of an angle and then classifying them based on those properties, labeling them based on conventions, and again, we'll use measuring in the next video, like another video. Okay, so here's our vocab. Your angles are measured in degrees. So, and how you can think of it is that it's like the space between where two lines intersect. So, or this case here, or even on this case. So you've got different types of angles. Acute, less than 0, greater than 90. Right is exactly 90, so it's not 89.99, keep going forever, recurring, or 90.00000, go infinite zeros and little 1. It is definitely 90 degrees. Okay, so and it's the same with a straight line and a revolution. Now, if you're thinking like, if you can do like a, if you do sport and you do more than like a 360, it just means that you're going around more than once. So if you're a dancer, you do a 360, means you return to the spot, you do another 360, you return to the spot again, and so forth. So if you feel like you need to pause, have a look at those, write them down, feel free. Okay, so we're going to classify these angles based on the information in this green box. Okay, so that might be why it's important to stop your video, pause, write those things down, and so forth, so that you can answer your own questions later. But here's some examples for you. So here we are. I'm going to classify these based on their angle properties. So this is less than 90 but greater than 0, so it's acute. Greater than 180 but less than 360, reflex. Greater than 90, less than 180, obtuse. And D is the same. So I would like you to pause the video now and write your answers in your exercise book or your homework book. Don't forget to label your work. All right, naming angles. So we have conventions of how we do things in mathematics, and in geometry we definitely have that in terms of naming our angles. Now we can use a symbol like this, which is angle symbol, and then the 3 letters that correspond to these points. Now making sure that the middle letter is always where the vertex, where the 2 lines meet. Okay, same here, so that's your vertex. So O and B will be your vertices. You can use both of these ways, but I definitely prefer this one. So you start off with your angle symbol, X, O, Y, and order does matter in terms of the O, but it doesn't matter for the 2 arms. So in this case here, angle equals A, B, C, or angle C, B, A, where B is always the middle one because it's the vertex. All right, so pausing the video, have a go at those ones there. Make sure you put them in your exercise book labeled neatly. All right, thanks everyone. That's introduction to angles. In another video, you'll be looking at measuring them. Cool. Stay awesome.